Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Home Assistant is an open-source home automation platform that focuses on privacy and local control. It allows users to automate their smart home devices and services. One of the powerful features of Home Assistant is the ability to write Python scripts to extend its functionality. In this tutorial, we will cover how to create and use Python scripts within Home Assistant. Overview of Python scripts in Home Assistant. Python scripts in Home Assistant allow you to automate tasks using Python code. They can be used to manipulate entities, control devices, and create complex automations that may not be possible using YAML configuration alone. Prerequisites. Once Home Assistant installed, make sure you have Home Assistant set up and running. To access to the configuration directory, you will need access to the configuration files of your Home Assistant instance. Setting up Python scripts. 1. Create a Python script directory. You can create a directory named Python_scripts in your Home Assistant configuration directory. This is where you will store your Python scripts. To enable Python scripts, you need to add the following lines to your configuration.yaml file to enable Python scripts. 3. Restart Home Assistant. After modifying configuration.yaml, restart Home Assistant for the changes to take effect. Writing a simple Python script. Let's create a simple Python script that turns on a light when a certain condition is met. 1. Create the script. Create a new file in the Python_scripts folder, example turn_on_light.py. In this script, we retrieve the light_entity_id from the input data. We call the Home Assistant service to turn on the specified light. 2. Using the script in automations. You can trigger this script from an automation. Below is an example of an automation that triggers the Python script when a specific condition is met, example a button press. Passing data to Python scripts. You can pass data to Python scripts using the data parameter in the service call. In our previous example, we passed the light_entity_id. Accessing Home Assistant objects. Within your Python scripts, you can access various Home Assistant objects using the has object. Services, call Home Assistant services using has.services.call. States, access entity states with has.states.get, entity_id. Example, a script to toggle a light. Here is an example script that toggles a light state. Example automation triggering toggle script. You can set up an automation to toggle the light when a different button is pressed. Debugging Python scripts. If you encounter issues with your Python scripts, check the Home Assistant logs for error messages. Ensure that the script file has the correct permissions. Make sure the script name matches the service name you are calling. Conclusion. Python scripts in Home Assistant provide a powerful way to create custom automations and interact with your smart home devices. With the ability to manipulate entities and call services, you can create complex logic that suits your needs. Experiment with writing your own scripts and integrating them into your Home Assistant setup. Further resources. Home Assistant Python scripts documentation, https://www.home-assistant.io/integration/python_script. Home Assistant automations documentation, https://www.home-assistant.io/docs/automation. Feel free to modify and expand upon the provided examples to suit your home automation needs.